No matter where you are, home or away, the ability to cook outdoors, to me, is just one of life's simple pleasures. The key is to keep it simple. That's why my Ozpig is my best mate. This powerful portable cooker and heater has been designed with simplicity in mind, from easy setup to cooking up a storm. Designed in Australia, the Ozpig is a really smart piece of equipment that's building a loyal following all around the world. The Ozpig is compact, weighs only 17 kilos, and is easy to assemble and use from this to this in less than 2 minutes. That's it, the Ozpig is set up, ready to go. The other great thing about the Ozpig is it's a totally self-contained fire, which means that you can use it safely at home and also in many places which don't permit an open fire, such as some campgrounds. For safety, there's a spark arrestor on the top of the chimney to prevent sparks from escaping. And you can also purchase an optional vented door, which prevents any hot ash from falling out of the belly and allows you to use the Ozpig with the door closed. The Ozpig works beautifully with a wide range of fuel types, including wood, twigs and kindling, charcoal and briquettes, so take your pick. I personally don't think you can go past wood and the wonderful flavour it gives to all your cooking. And there's also something magical about sitting around a burning wood fire in the evening. Whenever you're using the Ozpig, you're going to want to have this handy tool close by. It comes with the Ozpig setup and can be used to lift the plates when they're hot, to move your cooking accessories around, and as a poker to move the wood around the belly. With the Ozpig burning nicely, you're ready to start cooking, and there's virtually nothing you can't prepare on your Ozpig. I use it to char, grill and barbecue, to spit roast meats, slow cook casseroles, stir fry Asian inspired dishes, bake delicious bread and even cook pizzas. Half the fun is just experimenting and enjoying the process. Plus on the days when I get the night off cooking, I still fire up the Ozpig. Unlike barbecues, which are only good for cooking, the Ozpig is always the centre of attention. Cold nights, it's a very efficient 360-degree outdoor heater. And with all the ambience of an open fire, it's a great way to relax at the end of the day and enjoy your meal around the fire. Cheers.